Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all an amazing 4-bedroom detached property. This is Haversham from Wainhomes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located at Derbyshire. It's a quiet area with beautiful surroundings. Going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the living, kitchen with dining, utility and a washroom. On the first floor you have 4 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house you'll find a lengthy and spacious hall in front of you with various partitions towards your kitchen, dining and the living room. So exploring the kitchen with the dining space. Very comfortable kitchen with the dining space. Towards one side you have the worktop spread out on 2 different sides, and there's a window. There are 3 different windows on 3 directions. Towards one side in the front where you can plan your dining space, you're getting 2 bay windows, so plenty of light falls in the dining space. And even towards the kitchen side you have another wide window. So the integrated double oven comes towards this side here, and in this particular model they provided the electric. If you want to go for the gas you can, and there are plenty of cabinets at the bottom and even on the top. So the integrated fridge freezer is coming towards this side. And towards the opposite side also they gave an additional worktop with few cabinets, and the boiler is coming towards this end here. So in this kitchen you don't have the French doors access towards the garden, it's just a normal door, but you still have the garden access through this door behind. And this is the garden space behind. You'll get a nice garden with fence around it. And there's some additional storage space here in the kitchen. You can plan some kind of storage in here. So this was the kitchen with the dining. Now before moving towards the living space, let's check out some additional storage space which is coming here, and they gave the mains in here. You also have the door provided to this space, and this is the washroom here in the ground floor. So as you enter the house, this will be towards your left side. The space looks okay. You have the water closet, sink, and there's a window. Now moving towards the living room. Very spacious living room with full of light and comfort. Towards the front you have the extended bay windows, and towards back you're getting this wide French door access with garden access. So you actually have garden access through the living room and also the kitchen, but in the living room they provided the French door access. So very bright and airy and comfortable. So this was the ground floor. Moving towards the first floor. On the first floor we have 4 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. So exploring the first bedroom of the house. It's a double bedroom. You can plan a double bed like this and you get really good room space to walk around. Towards one side you can plan the wardrobes like this, and there's a nice window coming towards the front, so plenty of light falls in this bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. You have the ensuite attached, and this is the bathroom. The space in the bathroom looks okay. You have the walk-in shower, water closet, sink, and there's a nice window. So this was the master bedroom. Moving towards the second bedroom of the house. Just beside this you have the second bedroom. Again, it's a double bedroom. You can plan a double bed like this and you get a really good room space to walk around. You're getting a nice window even in this room, so the ventilation is good. And towards the opposite side you can plan your wardrobes like this. And just beside the second bedroom you're getting some additional storage space. They've provided the door and lock for this. You can plan some kind of storage in here. And beside this you're getting your family bathroom. Now the space in the family bathroom looks okay. You have the bathtub, water closet, sink, and they also gave a shower cubicle in this bathroom. Since you have the window, the ventilation is good. Now moving towards the third bedroom of the house. This is again a double bedroom. You can plan and design it in whichever way you wish. So you're still getting a nice window in this bedroom, so plenty of light falls in the space. So this was the third bedroom. Now let's check out the fourth bedroom, which is coming beside it. So this is the fourth bedroom of the house. It's a single bedroom. So you can plan a single cot like this and you get really good room space to walk around. You're getting a nice window even in this room, so plenty of light. You can use this as the guest room, workspace, anything you want to. So we covered all the rooms in this property. Overall, a nice property with really good style and comfort. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.